Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon potato no age gyoza. When we do gyoza, we normally do pork filling and pan fry them. But today, I'm wrapping some potato and bacon filling and deep fry them. It's great for meal, but it's also great for snack. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this age gyoza, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 small potatoes, 200 grams of cured bacon, some shredded mozzarella as much as you like, gyoza wrapper, I have 25 today, some salt and black pepper. As always, all the cutting first, so let's peel potatoes. Let's cut it into small pieces. Put it in a bowl that you can microwave. Cover it with plastic film and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 6 minutes at 800 watts. Remove the plastic film carefully so that you don't burn yourself with the hot steam. And let's check if it's cooked. It can go through easily, that means it's cooked. While it's hot, let's mash it. Now, I'm going to chop this bacon into small pieces so that I have bacon in every bite. So let's make thin slices first. Into strips. Then into small pieces. And add it to the bowl of potato. Let's add shredded mozzarella, some salt to taste, and black pepper, a lot of it, I mean if you like it. Mix it well. And bacon and potato filling is ready. Now, I'm going to wrap the filling with gyoza wrapper. So prepare gyoza wrapper and some water. Gyoza wrapper on your non-dominant hand and about a tablespoon of filling in the middle. Wet the edge, fold it, but don't seal it yet, so it's open like a taco. And using this rim closer to you, you're making some pleats and you're keeping the other one flat. So pinch, tuck, press. It's flat on this side, but some pleats on the other side. Let me show you one more time. Wrapper on your non-dominant hand and about a tablespoon of filling in the middle. Wet the edge. Fold it. Pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press, and seal it well. But if it's too difficult, some filling on the wrapper, wet the edge, fold it, and seal. It's all wrapped, so let's fry them. Heat up some vegetable oil over medium heat. I'm using induction heater here and it's 4 out of 7. Put gyoza gently into the oil. And just fry them until they are golden brown. Fry it for 4 to 5 minutes and it's nicely browned. Let's take them out. Serve it with some ketchup if you like, and bacon potato no agi gyoza is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's put some ketchup and itadakimasu. Fried gyoza wrapper is very crispy, like a pie, and it's a perfect match with fluffy potato filling inside. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, main, soup, 1 to 2 side dishes. Agi gyoza is main, so it goes here. Buta kimchi chahan to add a little more protein here, and wakame soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about carrot kimpira for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!